or painting? Why do you paint? Why do you practice painting? Have you any idea about it? We see that in our textbooks or in our books there are some pictures. Pictures are called graphics. Graphics. Do you know what is graph? In class 8, is there no graph in your math book? There is the chapter on graph. Have you looked at the pages of the chapters of the math book? Is there any chapter on graph? And you will see that in graph there is two axes, x axis, y axis, that is in Bengali called মাত্রা, অর্থাৎ দৈর্ঘ্য প্রস্থ এরকম বিভিন্নভাবে মাত্রা যে কোনো জিনিসতে মাত্রা থাকে অর্থাৎ দিক থাকে। This is a very important thing, and when we draw in our drawing, you will see that in our drawing there is two aspects. One is length, one is breadth, দৈর্ঘ্য এবং প্রস্থ। That means during our drawing we draw two-dimensional pictures, দৈর্ঘ্য এবং প্রস্থ, that is called dimension. But when we see an idol or anything, physical thing, they have both, they have length, breadth and depth, isn't it? This is a very good conception. Actually, these things we see around us has four aspects: দৈর্ঘ্য, প্রস্থ, উচ্চতা এবং গভীরতা। If you take a brick, you will see how many sides have a brick. Brick means ইট। ইটের কটা তল আছে? একটি ইটের কয়টি তল? আমরা খুব ছোটবেলা থেকেই পড়তাম। ইসিকা, হ্যাভ ইউ নট ফেসড সাচ কোশ্চেন? A brick has 6 sides. একটি ইটের 6টি তল, দৈর্ঘ্য বরাবর দুটো, প্রস্থ বরাবর দুটো, আর হাইট বরাবর দুটো, মোট 6টা। যেটাকে আমরা এখানে গভীরতার সঙ্গে করতে পারি। However, during our drawing, we draw some pictures, and those pictures have only two dimension, length and breadth, দৈর্ঘ্য এবং প্রস্থ। When we draw a picture, may it be with pencil, may it be with pencil color, colored pencil, or with some water-based color or oil-based color, it has some effect on our sense organ, that means in our eyes. And the use of color, the use of the shape impress or have some reaction on our sense organs, on our brain, and that makes some changes in our feeling, in our realization, in our perception, and that is very much impressive to us. So whenever we present anything with some graphics, with some pictures, with some painting, with color or in black and white or with some sketches, that is more effective than mere sound effect. That means any painting gives some visual effect on our brain, on our mind. So anything we present, anything we want to communicate with others, when presented with some sort of graphics, that means painting, pictures, etc., that becomes very effective. That becomes clear to the viewer, to the listener, to the audience. So pictures also says without its utterance, উচ্চারণ ছাড়াই ছবিও কিন্তু কথা বলে। And so when we use language, whether it is spoken language or written language, if it is accompanied by some sort of graphical presentation, then it becomes very effective. So we should, herein lies the importance of pictures, paintings, etc. I think you have learned, you have been informed about what is the importance of picture. Isn't it, Isika? Tell me what you have learned in one or two sentences. What is the importance of picture or painting? To sum up, it may be said that pictures helps to communicate our ideas more effectively. Pictures or any type of graphical presentation helps to communicate our ideas more effectively. ছবি বা যে কোনো ধরনের গ্রাফিক্যাল প্রেজেন্টেশন, ছবিযুক্ত প্রেজেন্টেশন আমাদের যখন কোনো ভাবনাকে আমরা কমিউনিকেট করতে চেষ্টা করি, সেটাকে আরও ইফেক্টিভলি অর্থাৎ বেশি কার্যকরী করতে সাহায্য করে। Have you understood what I have said? Isika, now tell me the importance of graphics or painting. It helps. Makes our communication more effective. Graphics or painting makes our communication more effective. This is the, so we should practice it. In reality, whenever we say something, there is a mental picture within our vision, within our mind, and most of us have thus this skill that our mental picture is presented on the paper or any other surface, and then we try to present it with our efforts. It may be any type of medium or instrument or color may be used to present our inner thought, inner picture. And you should know that if you practice, if a little child practice drawing from the beginning of his or her life, his discerning power, his observation power will increase, and his concentration power will no doubt increase. So you will generally find that those who practice drawing from the beginning of their childhood, of their life, they are more or less special powers. They are concentrated, they are some sort of good persons. So drawing is given so much importance, and drawing helps to develop our mental faculties, etc. So drawing is very important, and you should not give up drawing. It should be practiced as much as possible. Okay. Do you face any exam on painting or drawing? Tell me loudly. I cannot hear you properly. No. Don't you participate in drawing competition, etc.? I think you should practice it, and it is a medium through which you can prove your drawing capacity. Do you practice drawing under the teacher, under the guidance of any teacher? Did you practice it under any teacher in your earlier ages? Who guided you or guide you to in painting? Or who inspires you, or who shows you how to paint? Didn't anyone help you in painting in your childhood? Who helped you? How many years have you practiced drawing under his or her guidance? Tell me approximately how many years have you practiced drawing under your drawing teacher's guidance? 8 or 9 years have you practiced. Can you name your drawing teacher? Okay. Okay. Have you preserved any of your childhood drawing? Have you preserved any of your drawing copies, etc.? You have not preserved any single copy? Okay, that means I think you should keep 1 or 2 good pictures as your childhood memories. And there are many things happens in our life, but drawing is such a thing that reveals your inner power, reveals your inner picture and your capacity. So you should keep drawing under preservation. So try to keep your present drawing preserved, the favorite one. How often do you practice painting now? Do you practice painting once in a week, or the gap is more than one week or so? You practice once in a month, once in a week. At what time do you do it? Generally? Yes? When? অবসর সময়। Okay. What type of drawing do you practice? Natural scenery. Do you use color during this drawing? I tell you that you will send some of your drawings. Have you any latest drawing with you just now? Can you send me through WhatsApp? Now take a picture and send me in your WhatsApp, and I shall preserve it in my YouTube video. I tell you, if it is chosen by me, because it is our spoken English practice class in which we are talking about painting. Jessica, can you hear me? Have you sent it? Send it to this, to my, I cannot, okay. I have not opened the internet now. Okay, thank you. Jessica, is it your own drawing? It's an excellent picture. When have you drawn it? A week ago? Bah, very good picture. Can you send me one or two other picture? Very good picture. Jessica, who inspire you to drawing? Your mother or father or both? Do they inspire you? Both of them inspire you. Speak loudly. I cannot hear you properly. Have you sent the second picture? Okay. Next time you will write your name as the painter. Isika. I have okay. This is the second picture. This is also an excellent picture, I think. Send such pictures one by one. I think this is a picture of a park. Have you drawn this elephant's picture? You should sign and give the date during your drawing of the picture. This will be a permanent memory to you, and you are a going girl, and this is something so that should be kept as a memory to you. Are you sending such picture? Okay. My student Isika is sending picture which she had drawn. Okay. And picture drawing, but drawing requires some concentration, some conception, some themes are expressed through a picture, and it is very good quality. All of us cannot draw pictures, and drawing requires a lot of concentration, and it has many good effects in our body and mind. Thank you, Isika, for such pictures. I think I should keep them on YouTube, decoration, thumbnail making, and they will help us how pictures can be effective in our life.